Ever wonder how your favorite movie star could suddenly sing like an opera diva or your political leader spouts gibberish? Welcome to the world of deepfakes. Crafted by artificial intelligence, these fabricated realities blur the line between truth and illusion. But what happens when this technology falls into the wrong hands? Could we be facing a future where seeing is no longer believing? The potential for chaos is alarming. From spreading misinformation to identity theft, deepfakes could spell disaster on a global scale. But don't despair, knowledge is power. On Cultivate Perception, we delve deeper into this intriguing yet daunting phenomenon. We explore the mechanics, the implications, and how we can safeguard ourselves in the age of artificial intelligence. Before you venture further into this rabbit hole, remember to hit that subscribe button. Join us on this journey as we cultivate perception. One video. What if I told you that the person you're watching on screen isn't real? Welcome to the deceptive world of deepfakes. Artificial intelligence has evolved to an extent where it can now fabricate hyper-realistic videos, so lifelike they can fool even the sharpest of eyes. And in the hands of scammers, this technology has become a weapon, wreaking havoc socially, mentally, and financially. The line between reality and deception blurs further as we delve deeper into the world of deepfakes. The 2024 Lok Sabha elections, a democratic event, was not left untouched by this menace. Deepfakes, the sinister offspring of advanced AI and technology, wormed their way into the heart of Indian politics. The elections, a platform for the voice of the people, became a playground for these digital doppelgangers. Just imagine, a candidate's words twisted and turned, their promises distorted, all through the power of deepfakes. False speeches, manufactured controversies, and manipulated debates, all choreographed by unseen puppeteers. The public's perception of candidates and events was twisted, not by the truth, but by cleverly constructed lies. The very foundation of democracy relies on truth and transparency. But when deepfakes entered the scene, they brought with them a cloud of doubt, a fog of uncertainty. Who was really speaking? Who was really promising? The lines blurred. The truth became harder to discern. A democratic process compromised not by humans but by AI. A chilling thought, isn't it? Your money, your hard-earned savings, are they really safe? Let's delve into the unnerving rise of financial scams, where deepfake technology plays the villain. Picture this: a seemingly genuine phone call from your bank, or a convincingly real email from a trusted organization. The voice you hear, the face you see, masterfully crafted by artificial intelligence. Or perhaps a high-profile individual asking for funds for a seemingly legitimate cause. All these are examples of scams that have led to significant financial losses for countless individuals. These scams are not just about monetary loss, they play with your trust, shaking your faith in the digital world. A click, a transfer, and poof, your life savings gone, all thanks to a deepfake. As we march towards a technologically advanced future, are we stepping into a minefield? Deepfake technology, once a novelty, has now become a tool for deception, capable of disrupting societies and individuals. Imagine a world where seeing is not believing anymore, where our trust in visual evidence is shattered. This is the reality we face with deepfakes. The urgency to combat this issue cannot be overstated. We need bold legal measures, advanced technological solutions, and most importantly, we need to be vigilant. It's high time we realize that advancement, meant to simplify lives, could potentially wreak havoc on humanity if not handled responsibly. Remember, what you see may not always be the truth. Beware of the deepfake menace. The future of humanity may depend on it.